Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. We're going to be doing the Boba Fett helmet collection of the 40th year of Empire Strikes Back. It's like a collection, 625 pieces. There's a couple other helmets too that we'll be doing as well in the future. So look forward to that. Anyways, let's get started with the time lapse.
quickly, just do want to mention that during the process of editing the video, the SD card for the GoPro footage had actually corrupted itself, so there is no footage for this last bit of the speed build, so it kind of just skips towards the end, so sorry about that. Hopefully I can get things actually running for the next video, for the next helmet that we do, but I just wanted to let you guys know that's why it kind of skips. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it.
So with the build complete, 625 pieces in total, plus the little extra bits that the set already comes with, just in case you lose anything or misplace anything. All in all, I would say a 10 out of 10 experience, even though I thought it would be slightly bigger. I think it's 7 inches in height, something like that. I forgot where it shows. Oh, it's 8.5 inches, 8.5 inches of height. 40th Empire Strikes Back edition. There's 3 total. We'll be doing all 3. There are the 2 in the future. I would say it's very cool. I like it, especially with the little antenna thing. The only downside to this, I would say, is maybe just a little bit bigger. We like things bigger when it comes to Lego. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a nice day. Peace out.